Alright, kuthiwa V is equal to F lambda. Isn't it? So, remember the frequency is the number of wave or pulses passing a point per second. Isn't it? Udmanga loma wave. So, uma emaningi ama wave adlula ngesecond elilodwa kusho ukuthi the wave is traveling at a higher speed. Angithi? Okay. But they didn't tell us anything about the frequency. Isn't it? So, what can we deduce la? What can we conclude? Because both waves will travel at the same speed, lan. They will travel at the same speed. Ilula kakhulu lento. Ilula kakhulu. They will travel at the same speed, which is 340 meters per second. Bakutshela nje. Yabona ihint iqalile la. They are traveling through air. Njengoba bethi through air emoyeni. And this is a sound wave. We ask ukuthi sound travels at the same speed in air. The medium is the same. And the temperature is constant. Yabo, okusho ukuthi vele ukuthi sizofana. La nje bazama ukudida because yabo so 1.5 over 3 benza 4.5. Yabo, which is why bekunikeza ishandise kanje. But when I relax, umsebenzi wakho uyawazi angithi. Uyazi ukuthi only temperature can affect the speed, angithi. And the medium also affects the speed. So, if the temperature is constant and the medium is constant, therefore they will travel at the same speed. Yeah, so we will write the answer yethu. Let's put the number in it. Of course, right now. We first write a number of the question. 1,4. 1,4 and write a letter next to your answer. We chose both waves travel at the same speed. Okusho ukuthi sizobhala bani uD khona la. Yabo? Sizofaka uD and that is your 2 marks for le MCQ. Le multiple choice. So, when I enza sure ukuthi ama definitions akho and the relationships between ama quantities uyayazi because they help you answer ama multiple choice questions better. So in total, kulo question 1, we have answered 1.1 to 1.4 worth 2 marks. So we have answered 8 marks so far. Kulo 50 marks now. Usawubanje lo 8 marks. So what am I doing here? I'm explaining in detail how to answer yonke limbuzo le. And then when umusu practice ngamanye amaphepha, you make sure ukuthi you think ngayo le ndlela esicabanga ngayo manje ukuthi njengoba befuna into ethize bethi calculate yini qala leyo nto. Yezwe because almost every time before bekubuza ukuthi calculator i-speed mhlawumbe percent ethize or i-frequency bazovele bakubuze qala yini i-frequency. So uma ungazi ukuthi yini kuzoba nzima nokuyi-calculate. So i-theory yakho ye-physics is very crucial because iyakusiza ama-calculations akho abe critical ngale ndlela. So both waves travel at the same speed. U-A, B no C does not go as the answer yalokhu kula. It's only uD. Njengoba bakutshile bathi isuke iyodwa i-answer kwi-multiple choice. Kulaba basinikeza. So this is 8 marks esesuphendulile. Manje we are going on to question 2. Question 2 now sizohlaziya ngale ndlela efanayo and try to simplify sichaza amagama esingawa understand kumbuzo kwi statement kwama diagrams and then from there on sesizoqala suphendula umbuzo.